Hi, back again. How are you? So, how did you get on with changing your beliefs with the pendulum? Did you enjoy the process? It's very powerful and very super quick. Now, if it didn't work first time, just keep practicing. But I truly believe that you can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through, beautiful soul, how to do the clearing the beliefs and installing the new ones with using me as your personal healer. So once again, I'm going to get you to prepare. You're going to do and set up your sacred space. You're going to create your ritual. I wouldn't necessarily do this in bed late at night. I know that I do put you into a deep meditative state. So you do want to be in that theta state. You don't want to be in a delta state, which is a deep hypnosis. You just want to be very, very relaxed. So set up your space, okay? Because in a moment, you're going to go through and you're going to clear some beliefs by using my meditations that are going to help you clear this. So you're going to prepare. You're going to get still. So whether you need to do some journaling, whether you need to do a mini meditation. So you'll have the mini meditation to prepare, and you can use that for using the pendulum, or you can do it the theta healing way. So you're going to do the mini meditation, the pre-meditation. Then you're going to write down what beliefs you're going to change. So you've already checked what beliefs you have. You've already done that part. And then you're going to write down at least 10 beliefs that you know that you want to change. And then you're going to have that on one piece of paper. And then on the other piece of paper, you're going to have the opposite. So you've got the ones you want to clear. So 10 you want to clear and 10 you want to install. Okay, I'm going to have them on two different separate pieces of paper. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go through the healing meditation. So this is the meditation for theta healing of clearing beliefs and installing new beliefs. Okay, everything's going to be in this module. My brain's gone dead. Okay, and then after we've done the clearing and the installing, you're going to come out of meditation. You're going to recheck your beliefs, making sure that they have gone. If they haven't gone, you're going to follow the process. Do I need to forgive? Do I need to get Claire to help me when I go onto the live calls? So very similar to the process of what we did with the pendulum. If they've gone, great, well done, they've gone. What you're going to do with the piece of paper that had the negative beliefs in it, you're going to go and burn it. You're going to go and burn and destroy it. And because that's just a beautiful ritual to just know that it's done, it's done, it's done, it's gone. And the ones that you want to keep as your positive beliefs on the other piece of paper, you can actually put them into an affirmation book, or you can make them like affirmations that you put around the wall and that you can keep constantly seeing them on your phone. Use them as your affirmations for certain times throughout the day. You know, your 555, your 1111, your 1011, whatever you feel that you need to attach that to, go for it. And that is it. So should we get on? Should we do this process? So the different meditations are going to be sectioned off in this module, so that you know that which meditation that you're working through, and it's separate to this video. Okay, take care. I'll see you in a minute.